Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name's Dawson, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2020 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine that produces 295 horsepower and 263 foot-pounds of torque. We do have a nice set of 18-inch alloy wheels, along with a nice pair of Michelin tires too. Definitely good for this upcoming season. Alright, so I'm just going to jump straight to the back seat here. So as you can see, we do have beautiful leather seats, really good stitching, high quality. We have lots of leg and headroom, plenty. We've also got temperature controls here in the back for the backseat passengers, plus some USB charging ports as well. This vehicle does have 3 rows of seats, so it can fit lots of people in it. We've also got the blinders here as well, for if it's a little too sunny. So this does come with a power liftgate. And as you can see here in the back, we do have a lot of space. This is with the third row seats down. Even with the third row seats up, we still have a really good amount of space. Definitely enough to do a normal sized grocery shop. But if you do need the extra space for whatever reason, if you got kids that play sports, this is the perfect scenario here. You can put both the second and third row seats down, so you have tons of room, tons and tons of room. Also have the cup holders in the back there for the third row seats, which is a really nice added touch. And then with simple press of a button, liftgate closes on its own. So we're here in the interior. I'm in the driver's seat, and as you can see, we do have a nice set of gauges that wrap around the multi-information display. The whole menu here is really easy to use. So as you can see in the top right there, right below the time, there is a little back button, so that can be found here on the steering wheel. So you simply just press that and you can scroll up and down, left and right. This gives you a wide range of options and information that you can find. Some of your Toyota Safety Sense settings as well. This vehicle does come with blind spot monitoring, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, has a pre-collision system on it, dynamic radar cruise control. So it really does just pack a whole lot of safety features. This is a very, very safe vehicle, very good family vehicle for that, or for any person really in any scenario. Safety is number one. So, so definitely something that is nice to have with a Toyota for sure. And then the steering wheel does also have access to Bluetooth and audio controls, along with some of the Toyota Safety Sense features there as well. And then we have our nice 8-inch infotainment setup with the piano black around the display, which is really nice, really clean looking. We do also have access to touch buttons here, so physical buttons, which are really nice added feature. But then we also do have the knobs on the bottom as well as the actual touch. So a good combination there. And at the same time, this does actually have access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And I'm an Android user, so for me, Android Auto is quite a big thing. I really like having it in my vehicle. So that's a really nice feature. And then we do also have access to the climate control here, which is a really nice simple setup. Once again, nice clear display, easy buttons to use. I do currently have the heated seat on because it is rather cold out today. So both sides there can heat up no problem. And then we do have, as you can see, I've actually placed my phone in here already. This is a really nice spot actually. There's a lot of little kind of cubbies that can be found. There's another one over here on the passenger side, which easily fits my phone, no problem at all. And then below that, we do have access to the USB audio and the fast charging with the 12-volt power supply, a nice leather wrap shifter, and then a little bit further back here where the armrest is, all you do is you just press and push this back, and you have access to a really good amount of space. This can be moved out if you just want more space, so definitely a nice feature to have. So there you have it, guys. There's the 2020 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive. This is a great vehicle in general, especially for people that have families. Lots of space. Like I said, there's 3 rows of seats, so plenty of space for people. Leg and headroom. Very comfortable with the leather seating, and with all the different options and features that it has, this is a no-brainer. Definitely a really good deal. So come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find a vehicle you're looking for.